MESCO's blood donation camp, held on 15 September 2024 at our Mahim Mumbai school in Mahim, concluded successfully. The camp, organized to celebrate Profit for All, witnessed an overwhelming response from the community. A large number of people, including MESCO committee members, participated in the camp and donated blood for a noble cause. The blood units collected during the camp will be used to help patients in need. Thanks to the generous donors, we were able to collect a significant amount of blood, which will be crucial in saving lives and supporting local hospitals. RC Mahim Municipal Urdu School, supported by MESCO, continues to play a vital role in the community. This event not only celebrated Yaumi Rahmatul Alameen but also highlighted the spirit of giving and solidarity. The blood donation camp was a huge success, helping to collect a significant number of blood units. These blood units will be used to help patients in need, potentially saving lives. We are incredibly grateful for the support from everyone who participated. Your contributions will make a real difference in the lives of many. It's been an inspiring experience for all of us involved. Stay tuned for more updates and community news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.